I'm gonna just show you what I'm gonna pack with me. My husband and I are leaving to Universal Studios just for the weekend. So I wanted to pack my makeup with you guys. This case, it closes like this. I already got it kind of dirty. And it has the pocket for brushes and a side pocket for extra storage. So we'll just get into the main compartment. So pretty much I'm just gonna go by the way I put on my makeup. So I do use this Pond's as a moisturizer. It is for dry skin. When I purchased this, I did have dry skin, but now I have combination. It's crazy because I had oily, then I went dry, and I have combination. So I don't have a travel size. So actually, I used up all my Bum Bum cream. So I just put it in here. So we'll just throw that anywhere until we figure it out. All right. So next is I use a setting spray. And so I actually like this NYX First Base one. So we'll just put it there. And I'm trying to keep it simple because I know I'm not gonna wear too much makeup. So then I'm gonna put in my No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. Throw that in there. And then, so we'll just do that. Next, I do my foundation. And I am actually gonna take my Wet n Wild. This is actually really, really great for the price also, but Tati, she did a video on the Wet n Wild one and she said she loved it. So I thought, hey, it's not expensive, I'll try it. And I love it. I even went swimming and it literally stayed put. So I really, really like it. So next, I'm just gonna take the Wet n Wild pressed powder also. Let's put that down. See. What do I do? Okay. And then I am going to take a Wet n Wild concealer. It's crazy because I used to normally buy like MAC or like high-end, and I realized they were a lot of them were creasing up on me or separating. Separating was a huge thing because of my skin, and that one doesn't separate. I really like it. So next I would use a bronzer. This is a Lorac one, put it there. Next I would use a blush, and I'm actually gonna take, I think I'm gonna take like 3 blushes because I really, really love blush. So I'm gonna take this one. This one just came in my Boxycharm box, and this is really, really pretty. I'll pack that one. Then I'm gonna take this blush from Model Co, and this is a Peach Bellini. This one is a dusty, is it Dusty Rose? That one's pretty, this one's really pretty. And I'm also gonna take Leech and Gold in, what color are you? Ginger? Blush with ginger, something like that. This one. Take that one too. I love blush, so that's why I take it. All right, and highlighter. I am gonna take my Becca Opal, this little guy. It's broken, so I'm praying to God it doesn't do anything. Okay. Next, I have, oops. If you hear the noise, it's just I have like my makeup stuff right there, so that's why I'm just picking it from there. As they organized. Okay, then next I would get lip. Okay, so I really, really like these Clinique Chubby Sticks. It gives the right amount of like pigmentation, but it leaves your lips really soft, so I like that. I wonder if I could just probably move those over. And I probably won't fill up the whole thing. I'll probably add in like my like travel stuff, like my toothpaste, shower gel, things like that. Okay, the next one is the Laritzi Cosmetics, and this color is in nudes. This one's really pretty and it stays on all day. So I like that one. And I guess I'll throw in a lip liner. This is from Essence. What color are you? Frankfruit. It's a really nice nude color. And this Bare Minerals. You are in Birthday Babe. Take that lip gloss. And I'll probably take Blankety from MAC. I really like that color too. I think I'll stick with those. So I got that. Then my brows, okay. Then for my brows, I'm gonna take the Cella, the Taupe Eyebrow Cream. This one just came in my Boxycharm also, and I really, really like it. So I'm just gonna put that there. Then I like to throw in a little color. So I'm gonna use this NYX mascara, and this is a tinted brow mascara in the color Chocolate. And then I'm gonna use this, this is also from Cella. It's an eyebrow defining gel, and this is a clear. So that's pretty much my brows. I don't need to go heavy because it's just gonna be theme park. Then I'm gonna take some mascara. I'm gonna take this Wonder Beauty. On my blog, I posted it that I wasn't too crazy about this one because I left my lashes like really thin and like separated perfectly, very long, like it was very nice and didn't clump up or anything. But I think because it was my first time using it, it kind of just kept it very subtle. But once I like reapplied it a little bit more and like build it up, it's really, really pretty. I really like it. It took me a second to figure out the curve of the wand, but it worked out just fine. So I think that's it. I'll keep my brows very simple. What else? Oh, eyelash curler. I think I could probably fit that there because it doesn't really, there's not that much stuff there. I'm not gonna pack my brushes because I need to clean them. I am gonna take this mirror. This is the Clinique one. Let's tuck you in right there on the side. I'm gonna take one palette, which I'm gonna take it just in case, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. And I'm gonna take this Crown from Crown, is it brushes? Right. And it's just these brown colors. It's really, really pretty. So I really like this one. So I'm just gonna take the one and I'm gonna put that on the zipper pocket back there. So I'm just gonna take the one. And then I think once I have everything, oh, a setting spray. So this is the setting spray I like to use. This is Art Naturals, a makeup setting spray. I really, really, really love this. I always felt when I had setting sprays, because of my skin, I was very hesitant to use them, and I tried this one and I really, really like it. So we're gonna have to move those over for that one because it's fairly long. And I think that is it. I got everything. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I'm gonna pack for my makeup. And then here I'm just gonna add like my travel shower gel, lotion, stuff like that. I have the little guys, so I'll have to add those in. But yeah, so thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week.